Hey fam, it's Miss D here to get you in step with an instructional video of a basic line dance move, right? This one we're doing the jazz box. It is 4 counts to a jazz box, all right? I'm gonna turn around so you can follow. Okay, the first step you're gonna cross over, okay? Cross right over left, and then step out with the left, step out back with the right, and then tap together with your left, okay? So step cross over in the front with the right, step back with the left, step back with the right, together with the left. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, try it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you can also jazz box starting with your left foot, right? You're traveling to the right, but you're starting with your left. So you cross over with the left, step back with the right, step back with the left, together with the right. Okay, so it's cross left, back left, together right. All right, let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. All right. So jazz box starting with the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And starting with the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. You can also do jazz box with turns. All right. Depending on what the line dance is. I've also seen turn on the 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. It really just depends on the line dance. Okay. So if we can turn to the right or the left. Okay, so we can turn, back, tap. Okay, we can do it that way, or turn, back, tap. And I've also seen again another variation of a turn in jazz box. Turn three on the three. Okay, on the third step. So that one is 1, 2, turn, tap. Right? Variations, but the basic is cross, out, tap, right? That's your jazz step, right? Y'all have fun with it. Take care. See you next time. Mwah.